Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans Developer Mode. This special version of the game allows you to explore features not available in the standard release. You can enjoy unlimited resources like gems, gold, and elixir, giving you complete freedom to build and experiment. It's a fantastic way to test new strategies and troop combinations without affecting your main game progress. We'll guide you through the steps to get started. To begin, you'll need to find a custom client, often referred to as a private server or a modded application package. These are typically found through online searches. It's crucial to exercise caution and only download from highly reputable websites to protect your device from potential security risks. Most of these unofficial versions are developed for Android devices, offering a wide range of options for players. Once you have located a trusted source, the next step is to download the custom client's application package file. Before installation, you will need to adjust a setting on your device. Go to your security settings and enable the option to install from unknown sources. This allows your device to install applications not from the official App Store. After enabling, simply open the downloaded file to complete the installation. With the custom client successfully installed, you can now launch the game and explore its unique features. You'll immediately notice an abundance of resources, including unlimited gems, gold, and elixir, allowing for endless upgrades and constructions. Feel free to experiment with every troop, spell, and building at its highest level. This environment is perfect for testing innovative base layouts and refining your attack strategies without any real game consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.